This is Samsung Galaxy M23, and today I'll show how you can fix the incoming phone call receptivity issues on this device. So to start, make sure that your phone is not in the airplane or do not disturb modes. The easiest way to check that is to open the control panel and look for the flight mode icon, make sure that it is switched off, and the same goes for the do not disturb mode. So go into modes here and make sure that all those modes are switched off. And well, do not disturb mode in particular. Now you can also launch your device's settings, go into connections, mobile networks, and switch off the VoLTE calls for whatever SIM card you're experiencing those issues with, and then try again. Then you can also get back to the control panel and make sure that the Wi-Fi call-in feature is also switched off. So here is the do not disturb mode icon that I've missed earlier, so deactivate it if it is enabled, and the same goes for the Wi-Fi call-in. And at this point, if neither of those steps helped, I recommend that you take out your SIM card, wipe it with the cloth, preferably the cloth should be dipped in the electronics friendly cleaning solution, or an alcohol, ethanol will do just fine. And another advice that I have is that you contact your mobile or cellular carrier to see if the issue lays on their end rather than yours. And well, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.